going to be unboxing the Generation 8 iPad 10.2. So I have it in 32 gig space grey. This one comes in the colours space grey, silver and gold, 32 gig and 128 gig storage. So let's have a look. So first impressions out of the box, it looks the same shape, the buttons are in the exact same positions as the Gen 7, and the lightning adapter for charging, lightning cable is down the bottom. And then you just have your standard quick start guide stickers. So then we have the standard charging block, which is Type C to lightning. So let's turn this one on. So same startup as always. So I'm just going to go through. Alrighty, so that one is on now. So this one should be installed with iOS 14, we hope. No, it's not. So you would probably want to go ahead and download that. iOS 14 is pretty cool. We did a short video on that previously, so if you want to go check that out, the link is down below. We will be doing more iOS 14 tricks soon, but if you're just wanting to start out and you've just downloaded it, that will help you with some of the new functions. So I'm just going to go into the camera. So the camera is 8 megapixel camera. So we will just take some photos. So AirPods, watches. Not bad. So the main difference between this and the Gen 7 is the A12 neural engine chip that's in this one. So overall, having a quick look at it without having too much of a play, I would say that it would be faster and also has a longer time frame. So you're looking at 12 hours of streaming videos on Wi-Fi, and then your battery will obviously need to be recharged. Basically the same as the Gen 7 in terms of the way that the buttons, camera, charger, everything is positioned. So you have your smart connector on the side, and this one is also compatible with the Apple Pencil, the first generation. So if you're into a bit of art, drawing, notes, work, it's great for that as well. So I've got a few apps here that I'm going to demonstrate. So we're just testing the chip. I don't know what he's doing. He's not having a fun time there. But as you can see, gaming is very, very easy and very fast on the iPad. So that's a basic rundown and box opening of the iPad Gen 8 10.2. We will have a play, have a look around and test that new A12 chip. And if there's anything else we want to add, we'll add another video. Like and subscribe our videos.
And we are the three Muska-Tech.
Ciao.